This oceanfront estate is almost beyond description. 1317 Pontevedra Boulevard is quite large, nearly 8,000 square feet, sitting on a footprint of about 1.5 acres with 200 feet on the water and superior elevations. Enter to a grand foyer with a sweeping staircase surrounded by marble columns. A convenient wet bar is located as you enter the 2-story palatial formal living room. The centerpiece of this room is a cast stone fireplace and the spectacular ocean views. The beachfront formal dining room sparkles with natural light from a wall of windows. Enter the huge kitchen and you'll be mesmerized by the designer color scheme, the granite, the storage, and the large dining area. It has all the best appliances surrounding an enormous center island. The adjacent family room offers out-of-this-world views and yet another fireplace. A guest bedroom downstairs is enormous with a kitchenette and 2 bunk beds for the little ones. Take the elevator up to the 3 other guest suites and 2 master bedrooms, both with oceanfront balconies. There's also a wood-paneled office and a spacious landing. The real bonus in this house is the 3rd floor sun and observation deck. This estate home has permanent concrete block construction on the ground floor, hurricane-rated windows, and a new Hardie Shingled roof. Celebrate the sunshine. 1317 Pontevedra Boulevard offers privacy, luxurious oceanfront living, and is convenient to find shopping and schools. Call Kim Martin Fisher or Jennifer Martin Faulkner for more information or showing appointments.